Hi everyone. In previous session we have seen some problems in the simplex method, and now we are going to solve some more problems in the linear programming model. So now I am going to write the next problem. So that is maximize z is equals to 4x1 plus 3x2 subjected to x1 less than or equals to 5, x1 minus x2 less than or equals to 8, x1 comma x2 greater than or equals to 0. Now we are going to solve this problem. Right. First of all, for solving the problem, let us observe the given linear programming model. So the given objective function is a maximization type, and the number of decision variables are 2, and the number of constraints are also of 2 of type less than or equals to. Now first of all, let us modify the constraints according to the simplex model. So now take the first constraint x1, only x1 is there. So now I am converting less than or equals to into is equals to by adding a slack variable. So x1 plus s1 is equals to 5, and next one is x1 minus x2 less than or equals to 8. So x1 minus x2, we are converting less than or equals to into is equals to by adding a slack variable s2 is equals to 8. And next, a non-negative condition x1 comma x2 s1 comma s2 greater than or equals to 0. Now I am moving to the objective function. So maximize z is equals to 4x1 plus 3x2. So two slack variables were added. So 0 s1 plus 0 s2. So now I modified the linear programming model into the simplex form. So now let us form the simplex table. CB, B, XB, X1, X2, S1 and S2. So what are the basic variables? S1, S2, and the coefficients of S1 and S2 in objective function are zeros. And next, solution constants are 5, 8, and take the first constraint. X1 coefficient is 1, as x2 is not there, 0. So s1 coefficient is 1, as s2 is not there, the coefficient is 0. Next, take the second constraint. X1 coefficient is 1, x2 coefficient is minus 1, s1 is not there, so 0, and s2 coefficient is 1. So form this one as a table. So what are the Cj values? X1 coefficient 4, x2 coefficient is 3, s1 coefficient is 0, and s2 coefficient is also 0. Then calculate the value of Zj. So Zj value is equals to 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1. So value is equals to 0. Next, similarly 0 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1, 0. Next 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0, 0. Next 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. Next, calculate Zj minus Cj is equals to 0 minus 4 minus 4, next 0 minus 3 minus 3, and next 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. So in Zj minus Cj values we got negative values, so we need to go for next iteration. So select the most negative value. So what is the most negative value? This one. So this will become the key column. Now find the ratio. So the ratio is xb by key column is x1. So 5 by 1 is equals to 5. Next 8 by 1 is equals to 8. Right? So now select the minimum positive value. So that is 5. So now this will become the key row of the table. Next, so this is iteration 1, and next we are going for iteration 2. Right? So now write the terms CB, B, XB, X1, X2, S1 and S2. So here if you see the iteration 1, as this is a key row, so the leaving variable is S1, and it is key column, so this value is the entering variable. So S1 is replaced by X1. So I am writing in place of S1 X1, and then as it is S2. So what is X1 coefficient? X1 coefficient is equals to 4. I am writing the same thing here. And what is S2 coefficient? 0. Next, we need to make the key element as 1. So here the key element is already 1. So I am rewriting the same row. So I am writing the same row R1 as it is a first row. So 5, 1, 0, 1, 0. And next we need to make other values in the key column as 0. So this one is row 2, and now this one is row 1. Here 1 and here also 1, but I need 0. So row 2 and row 1. So here both values are 1, so I can make R2 minus R1. So what will happen? 8 minus 5 equals to 3, and next 1 minus 1 0, next minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, next 0 minus 1 minus 1, next 1 minus 0 1. So now form this one as a table. So what are Cj values? 4, 3, 0, 0. Then calculate Zj. So Zj will be equals to 4 into 1 plus 0 into 0. 4. Next 4 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. 0. 4 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. 4. 4 into 0 plus 0 into 1. 0. Then calculate Zj minus Cj. 4 minus 4 0. 0 minus 3 minus 3. 4 minus 0 4. 0 minus 0 0. So here also we got a negative value. So select the most negative value. so that is minus 3. So now this will become the key column, right? So then calculate the ratio, so that is xb by what is the key column, x2. So now 5 by 0, what is the value of 5 by 0, infinity. Next 3 by minus 1 is equals to minus 3. So in order to identify the key row, we require minimum positive value. So what is the minimum positive value? Infinity means the bigger value, and minus 3 means it is not positive. So we need to, whether we need to take infinity? No, as it is a highest value in the positive. We don't have a minimum positive value. So we are unable to identify the minimum positive value in these two. So the key row cannot be identified. If a key row cannot be identified means, then we can say that this problem is not having a finite solution. So, and this problem is having a unbounded solution. This problem is having a unbounded solution. It is not having a finite solution. It is having unbounded solution, we can say, right? So as we are unable to find the key row for the simplex table, we can say that the problem is not having a finite solution and the problem is having unbounded solution. So this is the one model of the problem we see. So like this, we can able to solve the problems with the 3 number of decision variables x1, x2, x3 or xyz, like that, or we can able, and also we can solve more than 2 constraints also. So those type of problems we will see in the later models, right? So this is, in previous 2 cases we got a solution of x1 and x2 value. So that means that problems are having in finite solution, but here we are unable to find the key row. So here we did not get the values of x1 and x2. We are not moving to the next step. We are unable to move to the next step. So that's why we can say that this problem is having a unbounded solution, right? So I hope you understand this thing and practice some more problems with your own, right? Thank you.